Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
गोंयांत वेगवेगळ्या स्किमींग खातीर मागीर ते DDSSY आसूं वा ऑनलायन बिलां आनी हेर पेमेंट आसूं वा लोन पेमेंट, लोकांची प्रायवसी सरकारी वेबसायटींचेर सुरक्षीत ना. हो डाटा काडून कोणूय हॅकर ताचो गैरवापर करूंक शकता म्हूण गोवा IT प्रोफेशनलाच्या वांगड्यांक दिसता.
On August 16th, I renewed my DDSSY medical insurance policy at goaonline.com. On completion, I wanted to save the data for future reference, so I exported using the export tab on the web page. Well, I was not ready for what happened thereafter. Along with mine, data of other users on that particular day was saved to an Excel file onto my system. About 1,177 odd members had used the portal on that day. Data included name, email address, phone number, bank reference number, challan number, the purpose of transaction, whether failed or success. Well, I felt so insecure. How could a website of this nature be built in such a careless manner? Who is responsible for breach of privacy? Fraudsters, scamsters in today's day and age are breaking into highly secure websites, and this website was just a cakewalk for such people. I appreciate GITP's efforts to bring this to the fore. I hope this is sorted out at the earliest.
सरकारान डिजिटल इंडियाक मुखार व्हरतना ऑनलायन फ्रॉड आनी हॅकर्सांची तकली खंय मेरेन चलता ताचो विचार करप गरजेचो. जाता तितले बेगीन सरकारी वेबसायटी आनी थंयचो गोंयकारांचो डाटा सुरक्षीत करचो म्हूण GITP वांगड्यांची मागणी. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश घाडी.